Hi, my name's Grant and I'm going to tell you about what we do here at the Eco Shed. The Eco Shed is a social enterprise run by people with and without learning difficulties and or autism. Here at the Eco Shed we make items out of reclaimed wood as personal projects, commissions, or for stocks to sell at fair and through our website.
I'm Gary. I've been attending the Eco Shed for over 10 years. I come here to unwind from my daily struggles with anxiety. I love being creative and I'm in my element when I'm here. My main media is carving, but I also like learning other things. And this is where I feel most comfortable outside of my own home.
Hi, my name is Liam. My first impression of the Eco Shed was that I wasn't really into woodwork at first, but though I would give it a go and found it really interesting. The people that help us with our work are very nice and the environment is calm. I have people here that I call friends and I feel like I really belong here.
Hello, my name is Elaine. I come to the Eco Shed on a Thursday. I like coming here and enjoy sanding. I have learnt to use lots of different tools over the years. I like the people here and the lady that helps with our work is very nice.
My name's Gary. My name is Terry. And with Babbage. Me making stuff in the woodwork and sawing. I make nails and everything, make new things.
I'm Tina and this is Laura. I support Laura one-to-one at the Eco Shed. Laura is non-verbal autistic. She loves to paint, so her projects are planned with this in mind.
Hello, my name is Stuart. I attend the Eco Shed on a Thursday. I like to help with commissions and to make items for stock. We sell our items for fold up money and use it to buy new tools and machinery. I also enjoy helping at pop-up shops, community events, going out on outings, and I love it when we judge our bird box competition.
I personally have been attending the Eco Shed for 3 years and have progressed from not knowing how to use any tools to being able to. I'm really proud of the bedside unit I made. Coming to the Eco Shed also gives me the opportunity to socialise with others and make new friends.
This is Robert. Robert is a wheelchair user and has limited mobility with his hands. Robert sits comfortably at our wheelchair accessible workbench, and we are always adapting and making aids so that Robert can work as independently as possible.
My name is David. I come to Eco Shed every Friday and I made a sheet planter, a nest box, a tray and toilet holder.
Over the years, we have completed many commissions for community projects, businesses and individuals. Our team members enjoy getting involved and enjoy seeing money go back into our project to buy better tools and machinery. Commissions are also a great opportunity for our team members to be seen, to be heard and to belong in the local community and the wider society through our social media outlets.
We made a prize wheel for the Kent Science Park. Spin the wheel!